Subscribers, new subscribers, YouTube viewers, my Twitter followers, which I don't recommend you follow me on Twitter because I like to tease the commies in government and the commies overseas. And commies like to put you on a list. If you follow somebody they don't like, you might end up on a list. And I'm not scared of these little fucking commie cowards. And when they start their little shooting war, or they want to pick up Trump supporters or law-abiding citizens, and love the police department, and love upholding the law, and when that day comes when these commies in government are saying they like to lock us up, when that day happens, I'm ready for you, you little commie fuckers. Because it won't be a law officer, it's gonna be a commie. It's gonna be knocking at your door. Let's go to BitChute our subscribers, Odyssey followers. Thanks everybody for watching my videos. A little late on my stock watch today. I've been kind of lazy, actually. Nothing exciting happening. Just cleaning up the yard a little bit and feeding my chickens and watching movies and hanging out and watching news. But other than that, nothing exciting today. But here we go. Let's look at the old GameStop stock today. Boy, they took a big hit today. They opened at 150 and now they're down to 190. But I thought yesterday they were a little higher. Yeah, yesterday they were like 250 or 225. But yeah, they took big profits today on GameStop. So tomorrow they'll be taking their earnings and reinvesting it for another rise, I'm pretty sure. Let's look at BlackBerry here. See if anybody's hitting BlackBerry. Oh, BlackBerry took a big dive. Big dive. What was the previous close? 14? Well, they didn't go too low, but still. 11.55. What's their all-time high? 28. Yeah, well, BlackBerry's kind of a crappy company anyway. I think their cell phones are kind of outdated. So, who knows? But it's an American company, I guess. What can you do? If you want to invest, let's see. Maybe it's a Canadian company. Sorry. Toy. No. We like the Canadians. They're our friends above us. We drink their piss and eat their shit. But alright. Alright, let's go take a look at American Airlines stock, see how that went today. Oh, they were going down like a landing there. American Airlines Group, what was their best? They were at 30. Boy, I bet you their retirement fund is shaking. Alright, well, they took a big profit. They were taking good profits, but that just makes it a better day for tomorrow when they start reinvesting their money they made from selling. They'll probably reinvest it and try to get it up, maybe up to 30 again. That would be a pretty nice little gain. Let's look at Tootsie Roll, my favorite candy. Alright, let's see what we were doing. They took a big hit today. A lot of profit takers here. And then they, around 2 o'clock, decided to put a little bit of money back in it. And then they sold. 4 o'clock in the day, they really wanted to make some money, I guess. So, again, maybe tomorrow they'll reinvest what they've made, and hopefully they'll raise it back up and make another profit day for Tootsie Roll. let's look at the commies today. I looked earlier at her Twitter commie page here. They kind of made some money today, and then they lost that. What was their best high? 56. They're down to 54. So they didn't take a big hit, but they did. Somebody was starting to invest, and then took a little profit, and then they reinvested that, and then they said, it's 2 o'clock, let's go sell this shit. And then close, they really decided to sell some shit. Well, maybe tomorrow they'll take their little profit and reinvest it back. Who knows? Just enough to make them annoyed, I guess. Let's look at the Facebook commie bastards stock. The people like to throw you in jail if you make them mad. Well, Facebook, they had a good day. It was like money. We'll take our profits and more investment. And we'll take a little bit of profits, let it rise, let it sink, and take little profits. At the end of the day, they took some profits and then they put it back in. At the end of the day, they said, let's take a little bit of profit. So, who knows? Maybe tomorrow might be a big sinker day. They might just say, fuck it, we want our profits, we'll bring it back down. Alright, let's look at the Chinese fucking commie stock, American AMC, which is now the China AMC company. Oh, they got fucked. Not too bad, but it is. It's at a good part to buy. It's pretty low. They really got screwed earlier. Damn. That would have been a good buy right there. That would have been the time to buy it. About 11 o'clock this morning, went down to $6.32 a share. Yeah, it's still, I would have bought a shitload of that, probably about a couple $100 worth of that at that price. And they got scared and said, okay, we'll invest and we'll start selling it. Then about the end of the day, I started selling out again. So, it looks like AMC might be a big good buy tomorrow. That stock might just rocket back up. What's the best it's been? Best it's been for 52 weeks is 2036. Well, they get enough investors, they might bump it up to 200. And if you buy it at $7.84 a share, I'll have to watch it. Maybe it'll drop a little more if it gets down to $6.66 a share. And they start throwing their money into it to raise up the stock. And they get it up to like a couple $100 a share, and you bought it at that point, or even at this $7.90. You'd have a hell of a good profit when you dumped it at close. Let's go check out my gem stock. It's mighty low, and boy, if it ever hits 30 or 40 or a couple $100 a share, you won't have to work for a while. Looks like some people bought a little bit of it. It was yesterday opened at 20. It went up 3 points to 23 today. So yeah, even at 23 a share, you put $1,000 into that, you'd have a shitload of stock. And if it could ever get past $1, you'd be doing pretty well. And if it ever got to 30 or 200 a share, and you bought it at that price, boy, you would be a happy person. Gemini Group Global Corp. They're a vapor smoke company. They make vapor cigarettes, I guess, here in Texas. So, not been a big mover. It's always been, it's been real. I bought mine about 13 at that 13 mark there. So I'm making a little bit of money, but I'm holding on to it. And once in a while, I'll buy a little bit more. If it drops low, I always buy some more. And just hope one of these days it will finally get noticed and people will start buying. You know, you'd be saying, humbug, who wants to support a vapor company? It's just as bad as cigarettes. Well, you gotta do something better than, the world's gone major pussy. I'm a smoker. I like to smoke pipe tobacco, though. I'm not a big vapor person. I used to smoke Marlboro Reds, and I still do once in a while, but I prefer my pipe smoke. But since everybody's so scared of cigarette smoke and people still want to smoke, they changed to vapor smoke so they could smoke in bars and things like that. Or don't have the people plugging their nose or looking like vampires walking past you as a bus hits them. Alright, well, that's my end of the day stock watch. And good luck, everybody. I'll try to get on the ball tomorrow. We'll do an opening in midday and hopefully the end of the day. Far worse, we could do end of the day. Alright, well, thanks everybody for watching, and good luck on your stock market picks. But these are my picks of the day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.